Hi, today I like to explain something regarding the SIKA EC7 process multimeter. The process multimeter is a combination of an DMM, so that means a digital multimeter, including different additional functions regarding a multifunction process calibrator. So on the instrument we see a large display, we see different operating buttons, we see a selector switch for the different functionalities, and of course we see the connection terminals for the different measurements functionalities. So today I like to explain something regarding the thermocouple measurement. As you see on my table, I have a standard thermocouple, a very cheap one, only for making a demonstration. It's a thermocouple type K. And to connect a thermocouple, you have to use these two terminals. And so that means the question is how to connect the thermocouple to these terminals. So my recommendation is to use an adapter, such a kind of an adapter. So you put in the adapter, and on the adapter you can connect the thermocouple. So that means this is set up, and now I select the rotary switch to the function which I like to have. And you see on the display a value. This is millivolt DC, but I like to have thermocouple. Thermocouple is blue, so that means I use the blue operating button to switch over to this functionality. So on the display you see measurement. We make a measurement. You see an additional information regarding the measurement speed, and you see the information regarding the cold junction, and you see the value regarding the thermocouple type, and you see in addition on the auxiliary display the millivolt. So that means, as this is a thermocouple type K, I have to change the range to thermocouple type K, and to changing the range I use of course the range button. So that means thermocouple type S, type K. This is a thermocouple type K. So in the room currently we can measure a temperature in between 22 and 23 centigrade. And if I heat up now the thermocouple, then the temperature is increasing. I use the lighter to heat up to high temperatures, and you see you can make a temperature measurement with a thermocouple. What is the information regarding this? S means gives the information regarding the measuring rate. Now we have a slow measuring rate. We can change over the measuring rate, the measuring speed from slow to fast, and then you see the F for fast and S for slow. And slow means you have a measuring speed of 200 milliseconds. That means make a measurement each 200 milliseconds. And if we change over to fast, then we can make a measurement each 50 milliseconds. This is something we can change. And last but not least, we have the possibility to make a relative measurement. So that means in delta measurement, I use this operating button. And that means then in the auxiliary display, we see the value of the last measurement. And this is 24 centigrade. And now I heat up for delta in this example of plus 8 degrees Celsius. So that means we have the possibility to make a delta measurement. This is the relative value, the 0 point, the basic point, and this is the delta value in centigrade, the delta value in centigrade. Yeah. If I operate again the relative button, then I see even the information of percentage, the deviation of percentage in percentage values. And so that means if I increase, so now we are around 36% above the basis value of 24 centigrade. To come back to the standard measurement, I operate again the relative operating button, and then we see the information regarding the centigrade value and also the information regarding the millivolt value of thermocouple type K. Another functionality is the hold button. Now I hold the information of the last measurement. In the large display we see still 25 centigrade, and even if I increase the temperature, you see we increase the millivoltage value. The last measurement value is on hold, is stored at 25 degrees Celsius. Push again the hold button, we come back to the standard indication of the temperature, and this is the standard measurement. So these are the functionalities around the thermocouples. And you see we have different thermocouples, for example type K, type E, type J, type T, type N, type B, type R, type S, and as mentioned before, type K. Yeah, so then that's it. It means thermocouple measurement, you have to use these two terminals, COM and voltage. Here you have to plug your thermocouple to make a temperature measurement with a thermocouple. And in the settings of the device, of course, you can even change from centigrade to degree Fahrenheit, and you have the possibility to program even a manual value for the cold junction. Currently we have an implemented integrated cold junction, so that means an automatic value of cold junction is activated and shown by RJ-A for automatic. That means use the internal cold junction of the device.